Hello and welcome everybody. Today we've got a quick one. I'm picked up this new fragrance for my collection, and it's called New York Intense by Nicolai. This is quite a famous one, um, particularly because I think Luca Turin gave this one 5 stars. But that's not the reason I bought it. I bought it because I was recommended this one quite a lot, and I'm looking for more examples of this more classical, maybe going into the direction of a fougere type of fragrance. You can see I've got 3 different ones here in the back that I think are modern representations. Well, this may be less modern, but yeah, I'm curious to see how this one will slot in and if I will enjoy it. I found this 30 ml for a very good price. I found it for less than 35 euros. So I thought, why not pick it up, see how I like it. Let's get this one open, hopefully. Struggling a little bit, but here we go. We got it. It's like a bunch of Nicolai logos in there. A little bit of the brochure in French. And we've got the bottle inside of this foam insert, quite tightly packed. Let's get this closed up. I didn't need all that fancy packaging, but I guess that's how they all come. So here's the bottle, just a very simple convex front. Got some information. Got Nicolai Paris in French on the back. Actually, there's also the batch code, if you're curious. Here you go. Cap is tight, metal outside. And let's go for a quick swirl. 2 sprays, good sprayer. Let's put it here. That's very pleasant. I wasn't sure which one I think this would be most like, but the big citrusy opening reminds me of the Eau Sauvage Parfum. Lots of bergamot, some fresh floral notes, some aromatics. This is nice. This is just nice. Actually, I'm smelling something orangey as well. So it's not just bergamot, maybe. Quite green. Maybe some patchouli, oak moss type of thing going on there. But it's surprisingly not all that leathery. There's some soapiness from a lavender. But it's not like a fizzy soap. It's more dry, like a powdered soap. But it's very clean. I think this is surprisingly modern. So I don't read this as very classical, or I don't think you would smell very old wearing this. Like, some people are scared of this smelling like somebody that's old. I don't think you have to be scared with this one. I could easily wear this. It's just nice. Yeah, it's closest to, from these 3, I think it's closest to Eau Sauvage Parfum, because this one has the big citrus opening, and it's got some fruity floral notes to it. The Heritage is a lot more, to my nose, a lot more leathery and creamy, and it's got that big patchouli that is slightly, to me, slightly dirty, earthy. Got some cocoa facets to it. It's got, I think, lots of tonka. Yeah, this one, I can now tell some sweet creamy notes in the base. So this also has tonka for sure. vanilla. It's nice. It's really nice. It's also, I would say, a lot lighter than Heritage. This is Eau de Parfum, Heritage Eau de Parfum, I should say. And the Lalique Homme, that one just smells more woody to me, not as sweet, and yeah, just not as nice. It's a good perfume, but this whole bottle is 20 something euros, so it's just, you smell that the ingredients aren't quite there. This one smells very high quality. It's very, very nice. Super fresh, super clean, just lovely, considering that I'm just smelling it on a blotter. And it's very powerful too. This is very strong. I don't see myself going nose blind to this one very easily either. All right, there you go. You've got some quick first impressions. If you want me to do a comparison between maybe the four of these, please let me know in the comments, and thank you for watching.